Good morning, children. Here we are into the last poem of our syllabus, that is Before I Go to Sleep. Before let me start the poem, I have few questions for you to be asked. As what all would you do before going to bed, children? Can you list it out few things? Yes, the first thing we do is we brush our teeth. I hope everybody knows that we have to brush our teeth daily twice, morning once and before going to bed once. Isn't it? I hope everybody does this work. Yes. And also, we do some naughty things when we are in the bed before going to sleep. Isn't it? Sometimes we chat with our elders, or if we have your younger ones, we make some fun or tell some stories about your school. Isn't it? We do all these things. And here are a few questions that has been asked as, do you pretend like some animals? Yes, you make some noise, try to behave like animals. Yes? Oh, here is a boy who would like to pretend himself like some animals and make some different noise. Let us get into the poem and find out what type of noise he makes. As I'll read through the poem. In summer, when I go to bed, the sun still streams overhead. My bed becomes so small and hot, with sheets and pillow in a knot. And then I like to try to see the things I didn't really like to be. So he says here, in summer when I go to bed, I could see the sun outside overhead. He says he's trying to imagine the sun, but it is not actually the sun, it is the moon that comes at the night. He says the sun still streaming overhead. My bed becomes so small and hot. He says the bed is so hot. In summer it will be a little hot, right? Yeah, it is not so cool. So my bed becomes my bed becomes so small and hot, with bedsheet of pillow in a knot. So pillow and bedsheet will be folded and kept. You have to spread it out. And then I lie and try to see the things I did like to be. So I lie down to see what all I like. I can start doing it on my bed. Isn't it? That is the first thing we would do before going to sleep. What all you could do lying on the bed, everything we wanted to try. Maybe sleeping and raising your legs up, or putting your legs down and putting your head up, or sometimes just putting your pillow down and trying to jump on it. Every naughtiness we wanted to try, because we think that our parents doesn't see that, isn't it? Yes, I think I did be a glossy cat, a little plump but not too fat. I did never touch a bird or mouse. I much too busy round the house. And then a fairy and hungry hood, the king of dogs for miles around. I did chase the postman just a fast for to see how quickly he could run. So here he says, I would like to be like a shining cat, a cat that is very much shining, that is glossy means shining. I like to be like a cat, shining, little plumpy, that means very chubby, but not too fat. I don't want to be so fat cat. I want to be little plumpy so that everybody likes me. And he says, I'm not going to touch the bird or a mouse. I'm not going to harm any bird or any rat or mouse. He says, I'm so busy to run around the house. I want to be running here and there. Okay. Next he says, second one, I like to be like a hungry dog, a dog which is very much hungry. And he says, I want to be like a king of dogs which will round miles together. If how much of a round I put, I won't be tired. Like that I want to run like a dog, and I want to chase the postman for fun. Just to chase him and start laughing. I want to chase the postman and just for fun and run and to see how quickly he can run. So looking at the dog, how quickly the postman could run, he wanted to see that and enjoy the fun. So two options he has given here. Perhaps I did be a crocodile within the meshes of the Nile and paddle in the river bed with dripping mud caps on my head. He says, now I would be like a crocodile within the meshes of the Nile. That meshes means swampy land. That land that is like fully muddy and watery always. Yes, meshes of the Nile river, near the river, I would like with the and paddle in the river bed. Be always swimming there, like putting your pedaling. You know how to pedal your cycle, like that. Paddle in the river bed and dripping mud caps, like putting the cap on my head, which is fully muddy. Okay, obviously when you are in the marshy land, always it will be muddy and dirty, right? Yes, I like to be in like a crocodile, which will be always in the watery place and a muddy place, and I would like to swim in the river bed and putting a cap which is full of mud on my head. This is the third wish what he has, and he's trying to do it on his bed. Or else I'd be a polar bear and on the iceberg make my lair. I did a shop in Baffin Sound to sell iceberg by the pond. So he says, or else I would like to be like a polar bear where I can be on the icebergs, where I can sleep on the icebergs and keep a shop of Baffin Sound. Here it says fishes, okay, where you can make the fishes sound and keep the new shop there where it gives a fishes there and sell iceberg by the pound. So he's saying I'm going to sell icebergs there, become a polar bear and sleep on the ice, and he wants to make some shops where you get the fishes sound, that is a Baffin Sound, and then he says he is going to sell icebergs. Okay, the next one is, and then I did wish be a wise old frog squatting on a sunken log. I teach the fishes a lot of games and how to read and write their names. So have you heard a small poem of the frogs? 20 froggies went to school. Yes, so he's trying to be like the one of the frog. He's saying, I like to be like a old frog, okay, who will sit on a sunken log, like a round cutted log would be there, no? That will be floating on the river banks. Yes, like that. I wanted to sit on a log like that, and I'm going to teach fishes a lot of games, different games what they can play in the water. I'm going to teach them, and also teach them how to read and write their names, to read their names and write their names, all the fishes names. He's going to teach them. An Indian lion then I did be, and locked about on my steed. I'd feed on nothing but bananas and spend all day in my pajamas. He says, or else I would be like an Indian lion that would sit like my seat. That is, I would sit like a king. You know, king is called lion is called the king of the jungle, right? Yes, he's saying like an Indian lion, I would sit on my seat and I will not harm anybody. I am not going to trouble anybody. Only one thing I am going to do. I am going to eat bananas and spend whole day wearing the pajamas. He's saying like a lion, I am going to sit and going to wear a pajama and sit. Or else I would become I did like to be a tall giraffe, making lot of people laugh. I did do a tap dance in the street with little bell upon my feet. Here it says, or else I would become a tall giraffe, making all the people laugh. When you look at the giraffe, obviously everybody will start laughing, isn't it? Looking the neck of the giraffe and the way it bend and eat the leaves, everything admired. So he says, I would also like to be like a tall giraffe which will make many people laugh, and I am going to tap dance. I am going to stand there and make a form of dance with some rhythms. Make some dance there in the street and with little bells upon my feet. Okay, on the feet, if you tie a small bells of a giraffe, with that sound itself it will tap its leg, isn't it? Like that I am also going to dance on the street with bells on my leg. The last she says, and then a snake with scales of gold guarding hoards of wealth untold. No thieves would dare to steal a pin, but friends of mine I would let in. He says, or else I would become a snake with lots of scales of gold on my body, and I am going to guard a wealth. See, they say most of the temples are guarded by the snakes, isn't it? Where there are lots of treasure inside, and people say that snakes are there to guard the wealth, isn't it? So he says, I would like to become one like them. I would become a snake with all the golden stripes on my body. Okay, and I would like to safeguard. I am going to become a guard of some wealth, untold wealth. That is, they call it as the treasure, isn't it? The unknown treasure, like that I am going to safeguard them, and I will not allow any thief to come in. So no thief can come inside and steal even a pin. A single pin also will not be stolen from me, but I will allow all my friends to come in. But friends of mine, I would let in. I will allow all my friends to come in and see everything and go. But I am not going to allow any thieves to come in. But then before I really know just what I did be or where I'd go, my bed became so wide and deep, and all my thoughts are fast asleep. Here, after becoming all these kinds of animals and all this snake and all, after everything he says, but really when I thought of myself, okay, my bed became too long. It became long and it became wider and deep. Slowly I fell into a deep sleep. All my thoughts were disappearing and I went into a deep sleep. So here he says, first he had become a cat, then dog, then a crocodile, then he became a polar bear, then a wise old frog. At last he came into a Indian lion. Afterwards he said even that is also not fair. Then he went to a tall giraffe. At last he became a snake. So all these type of ideas, even you may get it, isn't it, children? Of course. So sometimes if at all you have this idea, you can just compare yourself saying that, okay, I am also like this boy. Whatever I try, even this boy is also trying, maybe. You can see like that. Yes, this is one of the poem extracted from Thomas Hood. Okay, this is one of the short poem taken from the big poem of Thomas Hood. By this we end up this session, children. We will meet us in the next session with the notes of this poem. Until then, have a good day. Bye, children.